The next song is 2002 by Anne-Marie. The first chord is D major. We're going to arpeggiate this, meaning playing the strings of this chord individually. Starting with the D string, it's our thumb, or the fourth string. First finger on the third string, second finger on the second finger on the second string, third finger on the first. So we play 4 strings 4 times. Then we play an A chord. You can bar this with one finger or play like that. So you're going to start with the 5th string and play down to the 2nd. Then we have a B minor bar chord. So it's the 2nd fret on string number 5 with our 1st finger. And then with fingers 3 and 4, you're going to play the 4th fret on the 2 middle strings. And with our 2nd finger, you're going to play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. And then we play from the 5th string down to the 2nd 4 times. And the next chord is very similar. So we're going to bar the 2nd fret at least down to the 3rd string. That's the minimum. And then with our 3rd and 4th fingers, you're going to fret. Let's have a look. So the 4th fret on the 4th and 5th strings. And you do the same finger picking sequence from the top string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next chord is G major. So 3rd fret on the top string. Then the 5th fret on the 5th string and also on the 4th one, and then 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 4th fret. And we play from the top string, 5th string, 4th and 3rd, and again. Then back to an A major chord. We'll play 2 lots of 4. Then you finish with a D major chord. So 4 lots of 4, 4 strings.